Hello guys, so sorry about my room, it's messy, but I bought something. It's brand new, it's a flashlight. If one of you wants I see it's real metal, it's actually very heavy. If one of you guys wants this flashlight, you can come get it and I will send it to you wherever you live. And please subscribe. I'm only 10 years old, so please subscribe. And I'm gonna do for my next video. If everyone subscribes, I will do for my next video a face reveal. Subscribe if you want me to face reveal. And I also bought a new bag for school supplies. And my dad made a baseball bat, don't look at my bed. And that photo, somebody almost win it. But sadly they did not subscribe, so they did not win it. The most views that I ever had, yesterday I began my YouTube channel. And I want to say that if you want to buy this table, this whole table, like if you want to buy the flashlight, wait, I'm just putting everything together. Then you see maybe this. You see this. So yeah. And anyway, my dad is in the hospital, so I'm actually trying to do my best to sell my stuff that I can pay for. So if you wanna buy this whole collection, the table, the bags, that mirror, and all of these, you have to like, you have to subscribe, you have to share, and you press more, and then something magical will happen. Oh look, Mr. Teddy is there. But there's one thing. No, that is my neighbors. You can see they have plants, and they are making cupcakes for us. But I've added a new thing. If you want to buy this, thing, there's a cable. His stand I will not show now. His head can get removed. It's a magnet. There's his magnet. Right? And it just clips on, and then everything is there. And it still works. Just I don't have to place to plug it in right now. Here is his remote. It works. Every button. That's the. So this, yeah. And the stand. And if you are a boy, you have to subscribe. If you are a girl, you have to like. And I will face review in my next video. If I hit 10 subscribers, I will face review. And I promise you, I put my hand on the Bible, I will do it.